Hi everybody, I have a quick video for you today about push counting. Now, it's really important for students to stay organized when they're counting because it helps ensure that they are counting one-to-one. So what we want students to do is we want them to touch and move objects that they're counting. So for instance, if I'm using these Unifix cubes, we would make sure that students are touching one object and moving it when they say one number. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes when we see students counting, they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then they're positive that they have 12 objects. But when they push and move, or touch and move, you'll see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 objects. So we talk a lot in class about how we stay organized with our objects when we're counting them. So I hope that you'll be able to do that with your student as well as they are practicing push counting or touch and move.